Hey guys, thanks for joining in. Today we're going to be opening up a little gift that we got from Optrel. If you're not familiar with Optrel, they are, in my opinion, the best in welding protection, hoods, grinding masks, things like that. I do use one of their products currently. It's the Crystal 2.0 welding hood with the PAPR, power air purifying respirator. When they say crystal, they mean it because of the crystal lens. Just super awesome quality product. Been a big fan. They are Swiss made, so if you know anything about their Swiss Army knives and their watches, you know it's good stuff. After being a fan of their products, I reached out to them, had a conversation with the company, and wanted to establish a relationship with them and offer to help promote some of their product. They were kind enough to send me a little gift box, so let's see what we got. Okay, packing, that's good. Keep things safe. All right, first up. Oh yeah, we got a banner, gotta have a banner. That's right. Nice. Cool, cool. Okay, let's put that back in place. So we got, oh yeah, we got ourselves a new hood. Check that out, panoramic CLT. Pop that open in a second and see what we got in our little box of goodies here. First off, some stickers. We like stickers. All right, so I'm gonna tell you right now why this brand is one of the best. It's all about being able to see what you're doing. If you have a crappy helmet, you have a crappy hood, it's just not clear like some of the older stuff. Got that yellowish tint to it, that green tint. You can't see. If you can't see what you're welding, you're not gonna do a good job welding. So see better, weld better. Words to live by. Optrel fam. Stickers, awesome, love it. Lanyard, gotta have a lanyard, you know. Got some pens. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, look at that. Gotta have some pens. Haha, okay, okay. Of course, you're gonna send me a Swiss Army knife. Yeah, I love it. Optrel Swiss Army knife. That's the icing of the cake right there, I think. But some gear, all right, nice shirt, cool, cool. My life, oh, what is this? My life is too short for suits and ties. Welder for life. Damn. Yeah, that's actually, sorry, welder for life. Is this another one? Oh, cool, we got long sleeve. Awesome, a nice little long sleeve for welding and stuff. I like it, I like it. What's in here? Oh shit! Gotta have a coffee mug. Optrel fam. We'll weld for coffee. All right, time to reach out to some coffee companies. I'll weld for you. I like it. All right. Well, thank you, Optrel. I definitely like this stuff. This is some good stuff for sure. I love the slogan. I might make a sticker of that. Yeah, it's all about seeing and believing. All right, let's check out this helmet. Proper term is hood, so you guys know, but even I mix it up sometimes. So here's another slogan that I really like about them. See what you can do. Panoramic CLT, awesome. Cool, cool. Wow, look at this. Spare lens. Well, they have a really nice headgear, I can tell you that right off the rip. Your headgear is it's important. You want to be comfortable. So that's another little tip. ABCs of welding, always be comfortable. Seeing comfortably and being able to weld comfortably. So headgear, real nice. And then this is some of their newer design, I believe. That has this little clearance for your nose. So they're actually able to get the lens closer to your face. Like on that one, that lens is going to sit right up front to this front part. But this, you're able to bring this, tuck it like really close up to you. So yeah, headgear feels good. Happy with that so far. Oh yeah. I like it. I'm probably gonna do a full detailed review on this, so stay tuned for that. You can find the link to this down below. Thank you, Optrel. Again, very happy with all the goodies here. Looking forward to the Hutch's Welding Optrel collab. Again, thank you. Thanks for watching. You guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Hutch out.